Does Newton crypto work in Canada? Intro L. Question hook. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Ever wondered if Newton crypto is the right platform for you in Canada? Well, today, we're diving deep into that very question. Context: Newton crypto, with its sleek interface and user-friendly features, has gained quite a reputation in the crypto world. But does it live up to the hype for Canadian investors? Let's find out. Section 1, Newton Crypto, a quick overview. What is Newton Crypto? Briefly explain what Newton Crypto is and what it offers. Key features: highlight some of the key features that make Newton Crypto attractive, such as easy-to-use interface, wide range of cryptocurrencies, and low fees. Is Newton Crypto regulated in Canada? Discuss the regulatory status of Newton Crypto in Canada and the implications for investors. Section 2, the Canadian experience. User testimonials: share real-life experiences from Canadian users who have used Newton Crypto. Include both positive and negative feedback to provide a balanced perspective. Common challenges: discuss any common challenges or issues that Canadian users have faced when using Newton Crypto, such as verification processes, withdrawal delays, or customer support. Comparison to other Canadian exchanges: compare Newton Crypto to other popular Canadian crypto exchanges, such as CoinSmart, Wealthsimple Crypto, and BitBuy. Highlight the strengths and weaknesses of each platform. Section 3, is Newton Crypto right for you? Factors to consider: discuss the factors that Canadian investors should consider before choosing Newton Crypto, such as their investment goals, risk tolerance, and level of experience. Suitable for beginners: assess whether Newton Crypto is suitable for beginners or if more experienced investors might find it more beneficial. Alternatives for advanced traders: suggest alternative platforms for advanced traders who may require more advanced features or tools. Section 4, Conclusion. Summary of findings: recap the key findings from the video, including the pros and cons of using Newton Crypto in Canada. Final thoughts: offer your final thoughts on whether Newton Crypto is a viable option for Canadian investors, taking into account the factors discussed in the video. Call to action: encourage viewers to conduct their own research and consider their specific needs before making a decision. Outro. Closing statement: with that said, thanks for watching. If you have any further questions or experiences with Newton Crypto in Canada, feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time, happy trading.